Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mayas TV. Thank you for joining us once again. If you're just joining us for the first time, this is Mayas TV. We share lots of videos, tutorial stuffs, cryptocurrency, legit ways to make money, and lots more. Okay, so if you're just joining us, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Monetag. All right. Monetag is a global advertising platform that helps publishers like you monetize traffic from websites, blogs, social media, and more. All you need is a special link called SmartLink. Okay, it automatically redirects your visitors to the most relevant ads and offers based on their location. Okay, so these are the few reasons why you need to join Monetag and then use their SmartLink. Okay, first off, it has a competitive CPM rate. All right, so it has a competitive CPM rate that you can enjoy on their platform. All right, and then it has also a worldwide CEO coverage. So Monetag has a worldwide CEO coverage. Okay, so it has a wider, large audience. Then it has a fast payout. Okay, weekly payouts, multiple payments options. Okay, you can use PayPal, cryptocurrency, Payoneer, and more. And then they have a 24/7 support, so you can actually reach out to their support team if you have any challenge. Okay, first thing you need to do is to create an account with them. All right, I'll leave the link to create an account in the description so you can click on it. All right, monetag.com. So once you've got into the page, you go to sign up. All right, so in this page you can either choose an individual account, okay, or a company account. All right, so this is the sign up page. You can choose an individual account or a company account. All right, so whichever one you choose, ensure to fill it up with your real details. Don't make any mistakes when registering on the platform. Ensure to use your real details so that when you have any challenge, to be much more easier for them to verify that you are a real person and not just faking those details. Okay, so you can choose the company account or whichever option that you decide. Make sure you use real details in this sign up. Okay, I already have an account, so I won't need to create an account again. So I'll just go ahead and click on login. Okay, I'll enter my details and then log into the platform. All right, so welcome to the dashboard. This is my dashboard. As you can see already, I'm on my dashboard. This is the statistics page. Okay, so these are my own dashboard, and then you see from top right hand side, I already have some bucks in the account. Okay, I've earned that within few weeks. Okay, so that is what I've earned so far on this platform. All right, so you have much more to earn once you register on this platform. All right, okay, so these are the stats in this platform. So many options that you can choose. Okay, now if you want to choose or change or see how your link or your ad placements have been doing so far, this is where you see it. Okay, so for whatever reason you want to choose, they have different options that you can choose from. You can actually do it based on country. You can actually do it based on the ad link that you used. Okay, so on click, this is how you know how your ad has been performing so far. Okay, so that won't be a much difficult thing for you to do. You can choose from the different ad formats that they provide on the platform, so it will be much more easier for you to see how your ads have been performing. Our focus on this video is mainly on the SmartLink. So once you do that, you can actually choose to know if your SmartLink is performing well on the websites or on the articles that you added them to. Okay, so once you monitor that, you know how to adjust your ads, you know how to make it better so that users can actually reach out to via the ads. Okay, you can actually use country and any other option for you to check or see how your ad is performing. All right, okay, so from this statistics page, you can see real-time data. All right, impressions, clicks, your CPM rates, and then you'll be able to track your total earnings. Okay, it's great for tracking what is working. All right, this is how you track what is working for you on Monetag. All right, that is much more easier. So let's go to payment. All right, as you can see, payment is weekly payout. All right, you have several payment options. Okay, it has several payment options. If you go to this place, you see the several payment options. That is payment settings. You see different payment options. I added PayPal. Okay, so you see cryptocurrency, you see PayPal, you see Skrill, right? And then if you scroll down again, you see the remaining payment options that they have. So you can either choose any one of them, which is much more easier. As you can see, you see Payoneer. You can choose any of these payment options to receive your payment on Monetag. Okay, hassle free. You'll be able to confirm your payment and then you receive your payment in your wallet. If you encounter any issue, don't hesitate to reach out to their support team. They are always available to respond to you. Okay, so they have also a referral program that allows you to earn 5% commission lifetime on people using your referral link to join Monetag. All right, so you earn 5% commission. Okay, that is something that is okay. You can either join this referral program. You do choose the SmartLink option, whichever one. You can combine both and then you make cool cash from them. All right, so you just click on get link and then you'll be able to copy your link and share on your social media, your website, however place you want to share it. Okay, and you earn 5% commission on every sign up through your link. Okay, so that is that for their commission and referral program. I think it's quite awesome that you can leverage that. Okay, so let's go to our direct link, which is the major thing that we are supposed to do. Our direct link, you can actually create a new direct link. All right, already these are the links that I created already. Okay, I created all these links. All right, so if you want to create a new link, what you do is to click on this top right hand side and then click on it. You'll be able to see a new link created for you. All right, so you can either edit the name of the link so that you'll be able to recognize the links that you are creating, or you can choose the name there and then click copy it and save it somewhere that you are going to use it, maybe for your blog post. You can save it somewhere that you are going to use it later. So you can still come back here at any point to choose any particular link that you created. All right, these links are reusable. Okay, so for whatever link that you created, I'm going to show you how to use this link and earn money from it. Okay, so basically we are going to be placing this link in article that we are going to publish on our website. Okay, once we've done that, we are going to promote the article on our social media platform so that users can read the article, and while they read the article, they will see the button and be able to click the button. Okay, so I have my Blogger website, okay, that I created with Blogger, and I'll just go ahead and click on create post. All right, you know how to write posts. You can actually go to ChatGPT or whatever AI that you are using for them to give you a clue on how to create a better post. All right, so I'm going to do that and then paste the title. As you can see, I have two places that I want to place this link. Okay, I have two. This is the first place that I want to place this link on. Okay, the first link is going to come here, and then I'm going to click on this already and then copy the link that I got, that's my add link, and then paste it. Okay, apply. Let's add a bit bold to it so that it will be much more elegant. Okay, you can actually turn this into a button via some HTML coding, but if you don't want, you can actually use this method, right, by making it to be a hyperlink and clickable. Okay, so the next place I'm going to add this is this second place. Okay, so in case the readers miss the first part, they can actually click this second part so they can't miss both. Right, you can actually make yours more elegant. Okay, so maybe make it bold. Right, this is an article that I'm not going to publish on my Blogger website. Okay, if you don't have a website, you can go ahead and create a website for yourself, either free or hosted. Okay, so I'm going to add an image to my blog post, which is normal, so that it be the OG image. Okay, let's do that. Add from my computer and then save it up before we proceed into the next, which is actually to go see our post on how it is published on our website. All right, so that won't take you much time. So far, you know that you're going to earn from it. So okay, that's it's uploaded already. The image has been uploaded. So the next thing we'll do is to review our post and then publish. Okay, so you can actually do yours via different options, post it directly on your social media platform. Okay, so our post is live on our website. So what we need to do is to go ahead to our website and then see it. My website, this is my website. All right, the post, okay, why the website is still loading. All right, the post is here. As you can see, our post is live. So all we need to do is to go to the post. We need to go to the post. Okay, visit the post and then be able to copy the link to this post or to this article on this website. Okay, so once we've copied the link, we're going to create a short, catchy version of this post that we are going to share on our social media platform. Okay, so once we've created this catchy side of this post, we are going to add this article link to it. Okay, this is my community where I post. Okay, so I'm going to paste my article already, the one I've created, the short version. I think a much more catchy version. Okay, so that it will make users to visit your post to view it. Okay, so I've already added my link. As you can see, I already added my link to it. Let's add a short title, and then you see the post is already there. So once users visit my website or this article through this link, they're going to see my ad link embedded in the article. Okay, let's do that so that you will see. Okay, when I click on this link, I'm using this platform, Facebook, or you can use actually any other of your social media platform like Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, that's X. Okay, so any platform that you wish to use, just make sure this process still applies to it. Okay, so you can actually track your statistics on any of those ad links that you used, so that you'll be able to know how your ad is performing properly. Okay, so that is how it works. So you don't make any mistakes, follow the same process and you'll be good to go. So basically this is how to use SmartLink, Monetag SmartLink. All right, so Monetag SmartLink is an easy, powerful way to monetize your social media traffic. All right, without needing a huge website or complicated setup with competitive CPMs. All right, 5 minimum payout. Okay, so they have 5 minimum payouts on your earnings. They have global coverage and 24-hour support. It's a solid choice for creators and traffic owners. Okay, so if you're ready to start earning from Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, just head over to Monetag and sign up, grab your free smart link and then put it to work today. Okay, so that is that. I'll leave the link in the description, so go ahead and click the link and then register on Monetag. Drop a like if this video helped you and don't hesitate to please subscribe to my channel. Okay, you can tell me in the comment section which platform that you are going to try out this method first: Facebook, X, which is Twitter, TikTok, or Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe.